I went to a destination wedding recently. It was on a lake and we needed to hang lights, and we also had a fire pit right on the deck, and we needed to create kindling in order to get the fire going, and all I had was a regular multi-tool and it was pretty much useless. I couldn't hammer a nail into a tree to put the lights up, and I couldn't take what wood they had and turn it into kindling. So the second I got home from that trip, I found a better multi-tool than I had. So this one has all the classic things that a multi-tool will have, and it has a complete user manual here so you can see the labels, what everything is, but a lot of it's self-explanatory. Knives, screwdrivers, fish disc scalers. It even has hexagonal wrenches of different sizes in there, which I thought was pretty neat. A saw, pliers, but the selling point of this obviously is that it has a hammer and it has a little mini axe head. The thing's actually pretty heavy for its size, which is needed to be able to drive in nails. It also comes with a really simple but nice carrying case. You could attach this to your belt. For me, this is going in my camping gear, and I'm going to have one just sitting in my glove box of my truck so that if I'm ever at another destination wedding and I need to cut tinder or I need to hang lights with a hammer and a nail, I will have one on hand with all the other multi-tool features that come along with it. So for me, this is a simple no-brainer. It's a very cost-effective way to have all the very basic tools that you could potentially need on you in your vehicle, in your camping gear, in your boat, whatever. This works for me. I'm very impressed and happy with it, and I would definitely recommend.